leftover chicken, $4, 4 ingredients. Before we get started, let's preheat our oven to 350. Let's take our 2 cups of chicken and put it in a mixing bowl. Take our can of mixed vegetables, open it, and drain the water. Now we're going to add that to the chicken. Now we will open our cream of mushroom soup and also add that to the mix. The next part is optional. If you want to have a filling that's more liquidy, we're going to add half a cup of beef bouillon. You'll see I'm going to use the recipe with this, and you'll see what it looks like. And then at the end of this video, I will show you what a pot pie looks like if you don't add the beef bouillon and just use the 3 ingredients that we talked about already. There are a couple other things you can put in this if you want, like salt and pepper to taste, or I added some rosemary and thyme. But you really don't need to do this. It's up to your personal taste. We're going to get our pie dish and prepare it. I like to use a non-stick spray so it makes my cleanup easier. Once again, that's a personal preference. I forgot to mention, but the pie crusts come in a pack of 2. So we're going to unwrap one of the crusts and put it down as the base of our pot pie. When you're spreading it out, if you happen to tear part of the dough, don't worry about it. Just push it back together and make a nice seal. Now we will add our mixture. Now we want to take our second pie crust and unroll it, put it on top of our pie. This top level of dough will be used to create a seal and encapsulate all of the ingredients inside of our pot pie. Lastly, we want to make a few slits in the top of the pie crust. This will allow the pie to vent and it won't make a mess while we're cooking. To prevent the ends from crisping and burning too quickly, I take some aluminum foil and use that to wrap the edge of the pie crust. Now for the easy part. We're going to take our pie and put it in the oven. We're baking at 350. If we're doing this fresh, it could take about 30 minutes to cook. Your mileage is going to vary depending on your particular oven. If you prepare this in advance and put it in the refrigerator, you're going to have to add some time to your total cook time. Okay, here's the final product. It looks good and it tastes great. By adding the beef bouillon to this recipe, you have a more soupy inside of your pot pie. This is what the pot pie looks like if you don't add the bouillon. And it's a personal preference. I prefer my pot pie to actually be more dry and more like a quiche or an Easter pie where you pick it up and it's in one solid piece versus having that soupy consistency. But the choice is yours. I hope you try this soon, and I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. Please share, like, and subscribe, and if you do like it, comment. Tell me how it came out. Thanks for watching.